Manufactured with the highest quality stainless steel, platinum and tungsten coated for smoothness and durability. Compatible with all double-edge safety razors for men and women. The blade edges are precision-honed multiple times during the manufacturing process for extremely high quality. Each blade dispenser has a slot in the back to store used blades. This 100 pack of double-sided, double-edge razor blades will last the average person years. Excellent in all brands of safety razors and replaceable blade straight razors. 20 tucks of 5 blades for a total of 100 blades. Our safety blades are supplied in 20 tucks of 5 blades each for a total of 100 blades. Enough to provide years of shaves. Theyare, great for use in all brands of safety razors or cut in half for use in disposable blade barber razors. Due to the high quality of these blades, they are the first choice of many barbershops, beauty supply companies and hair salons for professional use. Our blade pack offers a premium dispenser, which features a slot in the back to store used blades. Top reviews from the United States. Best razor blade ever. Been shaving for about 15 years now and just discovered Parker blades a few months ago. Wow, blown away. Never have I ever experienced such a combination of closeness and comfort. Easily the closest, most comfortable shave I have ever experienced. My go-to razor blade.